Hey guys, Jade Alpine Companies on another epoxy injection project here in the basement. Just going to show you how slow I monitor these bubbles here. You just want those guys just creeping along. That way it spills that crack nice and steady. Pushes that epoxy right on up to that next port. Each one of these ports can take anywhere from 5 minutes to 30 minutes to inject. Just a nice slow process. Need epoxy injection? Check out my website, www.alpinecompanies.com. Click on my YouTube link. You can watch over 2,000 videos of my other projects. Thanks for watching, Jade Alpine. I'll see you guys on the next one.